Hey everyone, if Penpot components are not loading, missing from your library, or showing blank placeholders, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you several simple fixes to get your components working properly again. First, refresh Penpot and reopen your project. Temporary glitches can sometimes prevent components from loading correctly. Next, make sure your internet connection is stable. Yeah, Penpot relies on cloud synchronization, and connection issues can interrupt component loading. Try opening another project to see if the problem affects only one file. This helps determine whether the issue is project-specific. If you're using shared libraries, give them a moment to synchronize, so large libraries may take some time to load completely. Corrupted browser data can interfere with component rendering. Clearing cache and cookies may solve the issue. Some browser extensions, especially privacy tools or script blockers, can interfere with Penpot features. Yeah, temporarily disabling them is worth trying. If components still aren't loading, open Penpot in another browser. Browser compatibility issues can sometimes affect component libraries. Make sure your browser is updated to the latest version, so outdated browsers may cause rendering and loading problems. Sometimes the issue is caused by server maintenance or synchronization problems. If Penpot services are experiencing issues, you may need to wait. If nothing works, contact Penpot support for additional assistance. They can investigate component-related problems and help restore your libraries, and that's it. One of these methods should help fix Penpot components not loading and restore your design libraries. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.